Welcome to day 1 of my 30 days English facts challenge. Let's learn English in a simple and interesting way. Fact number 1. English is spoken in more than 70 countries. English is not only used in the UK or USA. People speak English in countries like India, Canada, Australia, Nigeria and many more. That's why English is called a global language. Fact number 2. The most commonly used word in English is the. The is called a definite article. We use it before nouns when we talk about something specific, like the book, the car, or the phone. Fact number 3. English has more than 170,000 words, but don't worry, you don't need to learn all of them. In daily conversation, we use only 3,000 words. That means English is easier than you think. Fact number 4. The word okay is understood all over the world. Okay means yes, fine or correct, no matter where you go, airport, hotel or office. People understand this word easily. Fact number 5. Some English words have the same spelling but different pronunciation. For example, read, present, read, or read, past, read. These words are called heteronyms and context tells us how to pronounce them. Fact number 6. English keeps adding new words every year. Words like selfie, emoji, vlog, and Google did not exist earlier. English is a living language, so it changes with time. Fact number 7. The longest English word has 189,819 letters. That word is the chemical name of a protein called titin. It is so long that it takes more than 3 hours just to pronounce it. This word is not used in daily English. It is only a scientific term. Fact number 8. The word goodbye comes from God be with you. Earlier, people used to say God be with you. When living over time, it becomes shorter and turned into the word goodbye. Fact number 9. English is the main language of the internet and business. Most websites, apps, emails, and international meetings use English. That's why learning English helps in career, travel, and confidence. Fact number 10. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. Many fluent speakers make mistakes. What matters most is clarity and confidence, not perfection. Practice makes you better, not fear. This was day 1 of my 30-day English Facts Challenge. Follow for day 2 and comment, I am learning English.